So what I'm trying to do here is to create a database just to play with SQL, try out SQL statements and show it to my daughter. Previously, if I wanted to do something like this, I would have probably downloaded Oracle, personal edition or something. But now with cloud, I'm thinking it's much easier. So I've created an account for myself in AWS. And here I am looking at all services. And I'm scrolling down to database option, RDS for relational database service. And here is the DB instances. And there is an option here to create database, which I'm going to click. I'll keep the default option for the creation method. And then for the engine options, what I would like is a free tier option. Here I'm for Aurora and Oracle and IBM DB2, though the free tier option is not available. So, but for some of the others like MariaDB, MySQL, Postgres, you do, or Microsoft SQL Server, you do get the option for a free tier. So I'll choose MySQL and then scroll down, keep the default engine version, and of course change this to free tier. Scroll and change the database name to say a test DB, and then the username, I'll keep that as admin. And then for the password, let me add a password, confirm it, and then I'll keep the default instance configuration, storage type, allocated storage, connectivity. I don't need a compute resource, so I'll keep that as default as well. If I had plans, if there was any need to create an application in the cloud and have that connect to the database, then I would have chosen EC2 compute resource. But for my use case here, I don't need any compute resource. Then scrolling down, here is an option for public access. I am going to change this to yes because I would like to access the database from my local machine and not directly from the cloud. I mean, that's an option, but I would like to access it from my machine. So I changed it to yes. And then the default security group. I'm not creating this for any critical or very important use. This is just for me to try out how to create a database, how to create tables, SQL, some updates, select statements, that's it. So the default options and the free tier works for me. So I'll keep everything else as the default option. And then there is a monthly cost mentioned here, but I think if as long as your usage is within these limitations or boundaries mentioned here, you should be fine, and it should let you use it for free. I'll go ahead and click create database with these options. It's asking me for some add-on options. I'm going to close it. We don't need any add-ons. And here it is. The status is creating the database. It's showing me the message, and it should be created here in a bit. So hope that was helpful. Thank you.